Hey everyone, ever wondered how those stunning AI influencers are created? Today, we're diving into the world of AI to show you exactly how you can create and manage your very own digital personality for social media. Ready to get started? Let's go. First things first, you need a great face for your AI influencer. For this, we'll use an incredible AI tool called TensorArt. It's completely free, but be careful. This site might have NSFW content, so definitely avoid using it at work to steer clear of any trouble. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use TensorArt. Visit the website and click on Posts. You'll see millions of pre-generated images. Select one that matches the look you want for your influencer. Click on the Remix button to modify the image. This is where you can change the prompt to generate a new face. Remember to add a seed number before generating the image. This acts as a unique ID to keep your influencer's look consistent. For example, if you like the face from one image but want to change the scenario, like shopping in a mall, just adjust the prompt and keep the seed number the same. You'll get a new image with the same face in a different setting. You can also customize the outfit by changing colors or adding accessories, like glasses or traditional attire. And there you have it, your very own AI influencer ready for social media. Regularly post engaging content and maintain a disciplined schedule. With consistent effort, you'll build a following and can even earn money through brand deals just like famous AI influencers. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Diaries for more insights into AI tools and techniques. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.